Hello everyone, happy weekend, happy day, whatever time you're watching this video. I want to start this video by showing you the oils I'm using for this soap. So these are the oils I'm measuring them out and fetching them. I'm using tallow, I'm using PKO, I'm using palm oil. Okay, so you can watch and see what I'm using. Okay, so I want to say this is the video of the recipe I sent to you on the Plodder stroke manual recipe for laundry soap. Okay, how many? Hmm. Oh. So here you can see me measuring my caustic soda. All the ingredients have been listed in the recipe. I sent a screenshot of. Okay, so I'm measuring it out now. Okay, I finished measuring my caustic. I melted my oils, and here you can see me sieving them. Okay, I'm sieving to remove any debris. I mixed them all together. I didn't use only PKO. Okay, I mixed palm oil, PKO, and tallow. Okay, so I'm sieving it, and I believe you can see me measuring it in my measuring cup. Don't use bottle, use your measuring cup and measure exactly the right amount you're supposed to use. Okay,
Sorry. Okay.
so here is my water. That's my 2 liters. My 2 liters of water, and then my 500 mils of water. Okay, I've measured it, so now I'll pour in my caustic soda inside and then stir. Okay, so here is me measuring out my silicate. I need, it's supposed to be 2 liters, but the one I had at home was not up to 2 liters. I had about 1.8. That is 1 liter 800 mils. Okay, so that was what I measured, and you can see me sieving my caustic. there's some bit of oil in the pot stick. Okay, so you can see me sieving my pot stick into my soap, into my oils, and I'll mix. Okay.
No sugar. Yes.
The method I'm using for this soap is semi-hot process. So after it has gelled and cleared up a bit, after I mixed it with trace, I covered it with nylon. Okay, I allowed it swell a little bit, then I opened it, mixed again before pouring in my silicate. Okay, I will still mix and then still cover. It's important to maintain a reasonably high temperature for that smoothness. If you see that the soap is not smooth, you have to transfer it back to the pot, because you need heat for this method. Okay, you need heat. Are you videoing it? For the soap to become smooth. So after I've done that, my soap became smooth. I poured it into the mold. Now you can see my batter is thick. Okay, I poured it into the mold, did my best to smoothen out the surface. This soap hardens on time. Okay, it hardened on time. Then you cover your mold, and then, because you use semi-hot process, not hot process. If it's hot process, you can leave it open, but I still want to maintain some reasonable amount of heat, so I covered it up. Okay, so now we'll see the cut. Okay, you can just watch and see how I cut the soap, and in the video you also see me comparing my soap to commercial soap, Viva commercial soap. You will see great similarity. Okay, so watch it and try and make your own also. Okay, thanks for watching.
Okay.
That's not how to hold it for video. Now it's too close. Hold it.
Okay.
If you're doing it. Are you doing it?
One. Mommy, how's it? So, now you start.
Are you doing it?
Yes.
Are you showing it?
Yeah.
All?
Yes.
Are you showing it?
Yes.
Is this you showing?
Yes. Yes. Don't disturb me here. Look at that bed. You can't fly. Look at how beautiful it is. See, that's
Emma, be careful the way you're chicken.
Kula is going upstairs alone. It's us. That creepy dark place. Look away. Here's the time.
Bring it close, Emma.
Everybody, guys, can you see? This is fine soap. Can you see it? It's fine. It's beautiful. It's very beautiful. I wish you guys good luck to when having your own. Just look at between the two of them. Please tell me which one is beautiful. Is it this one or this one? It is this one.
Remove your hand.